Yo.
Yo. Where going?
Might look how long we there some youth.
She not come out yet.
Might as well go somewhere else, you know.
Why you wait, man? We are search for that girl about a week now, dog. We can't just make she cut, dog. She left for it
Might
now.
you sure, yes, sir?
Yeah, man, I asked her, dog. At what time?
You ask her what time, you know how long we there some youth.
Yo, just wait a little more, dog. She's too far out, man. Where you want me to left?
Yo, if we can go somewhere else, you know, in a sense we stay here, so, you know.
Alright.
Yo, hold on. Movements.
Oh shit, see there.
Movements.
How much of something you use?
The whole of it?
Buckler, dog. Enough something.
No man, she soon wake up, man. She soon wake up. Yo, me a move it fun.
Alright, cool.
So far.
Alright.
Kind of time. She needs them, man. What? Our phone off?
We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service.
Hello. Wait, chill. What? Chill. Shanice, see this?
Who are you?
You soon know, man. Relax. You soon know that, man. Relax.
What do you want?
More you. You know how long we are watching? Oh, me and my friend Biggs. You soon meet him. So relax. Calm down. I'll just sit over there. I know your age, I know your work.
What do you want from me?
What I want from you is you. You're arrogant. You don't smoke, you don't drink. You're the perfect girl for it. Huh? Oh, why don't you so stop winding up your bumbo clad self? You're so cute too. You know your mother know why you?
Things what do you want?
More you.
What are you talking about?
Stop me. You ready for this?
What do you want with me? What do you want?
You, shut up. Hey, shut the fuck up. Shut up. Calm down.
Please, somebody help me, please. Help!
Nobody can hear. Call all you want.
Please! Please, somebody help me, please!
You wanna stop a night?
Please just tell me what you want, please.
What I want is you. You don't know where I'm going on? You're gonna stay here so with we. You soon meet my other friend Biggs. I'm gonna part the van.
Please, just please.
Miss Bev? Hello?
Hello, Maya. Hi, this is Miss Bev.
Hi, Miss Bev.
You're from Shanice?
I talked to her earlier.
Yeah, she was supposed to be on about 2 hours ago. Nothing.
I don't know where she could have gone.
Alright, well, if you hear from her, you know, call me or something.
Me make you know right away.
Alright.
Alright, later, Miss Bev.
What the hell are going?
We're sorry. The number you have reached is not in service.
What? She must be there, man, yeah.
Yeah man, we're there. Alright. Yo, so what we gonna do with the girl that we just sketched?
Remember there's something that I talked to you about?
I don't want to do that, my youth. You know how long we have to go wait for that money there.
Brother,
If we link with the boss, we get the money right away.
But listen what I say now. Remember the boss money is just a one-time thing, you know. Only when we bring in girl, we get the money there, brother. So just imagine we have the girl here work for we. It's a money that are coming to we every week, you know. Or how we want to run it, you know. Plus fee money are coming in, you know. We good in a dog.
Yo, but you know things him go find out that.
How him go find out? Me not talk, you go talk? Him can't find out, dog. There's no way him can find out.
Alright, anything you depend on that.
My,
So
just
we
make
find somebody else then.
Then that's not easy, my yo. Just tell him say yo what we go for do. When I get through for that. And we just look for something tomorrow, dog. Can do that.
Alright, cool.
Easy one too, that dog.
How that? See my pull up there, you know.
This afford. My don't say nothing to him too tough to him.
Alright, I'm not saying nothing.
Yo.
Go on.
Yo.
Yeah. So how's everything?
No, say everything good still. Where are you?
There man, you get through?
You know, say,
everything they if you go through, but a little thing go on so when you really get to go for.
How?
you know, she get with bossy, she get with no,
Brother,
not watching Facebook.
you know them something I go.
Yo, but y'all had one job. So, what me fi tell him?
Yo, we are gonna deal with something. You are going a one in a brother. We are gonna deal with something.
Yeah, but look how long we're praying. Yo, me go call the boss for real, you know?
Yo, you not have to do all of that. Yo, me
It don't
take
make
the
sense.
yo, just me take the blame. And my fault. And tomorrow we are go back on the road go look something. And my fault, we take the blame. Tomorrow we are go back on the road. Just tell the boss say yo, what
Yo,
we did.
him don't want to hear that. He don't want to hear that. He said that y'all have the girl.
Yo, dog, if we have the girl, we need in a conversation with you.
Bro, man, we are gonna get the girl, man. Just go cool.
Yo, me have to call him now. I have to call him and make him know what's going on.
Yo, just make
Tomorrow
him know
I call
say
him.
tomorrow we
Tomorrow.
deal with it. We are gonna deal with it. We are calling man right now for yo.
Brown man, you don't have
Oh,
money
me
for
fi
it.
tell him. What me fi tell him now?
But brown man, you have money for it. You go on, so just
Oh,
easy
me have
man.
money
Wait
for you
till
and then
tomorrow.
you even do the works right.
Brown
Yo,
man, wait till tomorrow.
You me say, hold on for my money. You can't take my money. Cause I'm me fuck up.
Yo,
So me take the blame, dog.
No, me not lie to you, dog. I be like fuckery, dog.
Brown man, I first girl.
So hold on, what you want we to do really? What you want we to do?
Yo,
Dog,
we set it up for a whole week and a half, dog. You serious?
my youth, tomorrow we are gonna deal with it. What we need to do, it not happen. So we have to go deal with it tomorrow. Just make your boss know that and we can't do nothing about it.
Yo, me know what, yo. Homeboy rascal, dog. Big man, yo.
We there yes right now do all of this not solve nothing, you know.
Dog, a fuckery, man, you.
This not solve nothing, brother.
I hear nothing, dog.
My all you can do is just tell him we tell you.
Yo,
That's it.
make I tell him, and then yo, you have to deal with it, dog. If himself he done it, that, yo, me done something gonna bump, yo, dog.
No, you fuck up the money, bro.
Yo, we now met him, dog. We're good. We now met that. We're good. We have the girl. Yo, them fool they not suspect nothing, dog. Not
So we have to
suspect
do
nothing.
The girl, we have to go get our next girl.
Tomorrow worry about that, dog. What you do for your night?
And go back in and go check on her.
Yo, go forward. Go make a step here, dog.
Come on, Shanice. Jesus Christ. Hello? Yes, 911. I need to report a missing person. My daughter is missing. It's only been about 5-6 hours. Say it again, how long? 48 hours, ma'am. Ma'am, it's my only daughter. But Okay. I'll call back. Fucking Christ. Father God, Shanice, come on.
Please help me.
Yo.
Please help me.
You know, sister, that now do nothing.
What do you want from me? What is it that you guys want from me?
Yo.
What can I do for you guys?
Yo, hear me I say. Right now, you're not going nowhere. Yo. Yo, hear me I say. I don't want to use this, you know. I don't want to use this. Listen to me I say. Right now, you're good. You're good. You think I have to for that? You see, from right now, you work for we. You hear me I say? Your mother now go find you, you know.
She's looking for me. I know my mom's looking for me. I know she's looking for me. Please just let me go. I promise I won't say anything. My mom will give you guys some money. I won't say anything. Just please let me go.
You're not going nowhere from your son. You know, see that? You're not tired to make noise. Nobody now go hear you. Nobody now find you. You can scream as loud as you want. You work for we now.
Please just let me go. Please just let me go. Let me go.
Your bag of crying now go do nothing. Nothing. And we your work for now.
I won't say anything. I'll just pretend like nothing happened, but I'm just begging. Please let me go. I don't know what it is you guys want from me, but I can't give it to you, please.
Yo, we want.
Please just let me go.
You work for me now. You hear that? Anything with me say right now is law to you.
Please just let me go. Please.
So you're rather dead. So you can make all the nights you want. I don't care.
Please.
Thank you. So I just have a few questions that I want to go over with you so we can try to do the best that we can to get her back to you as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay? How long has she been missing?
She was supposed to come home. She got off at 7 o'clock. So it's about minutes to 3. So 8 or so hours.
Her approximate height and weight?
She's 5'4" and about 115 pounds.
What was she wearing?
She left the house in black shorts and a long sleeve blue top. I think it was like navy blue.
Okay. You said she was coming from work?
Yes, she works at a warehouse, Trident. They ship shipments. It's about 2 miles from here.
Okay. And there's no possible way she could have gone to a friend's house or...
Not that I know of. She has one friend, and I spoke with her already. And she hasn't heard from her either, so no.
Okay. And is there any reason that she could possibly have to not want to come home?
No, detective, no. Not at all.
Do you have any issues with anybody?
No, she's a quiet girl. She keeps to herself. No one that I could possibly think of.
Does she have any boyfriend, girlfriend?
No, detective.
Have you spoken to any of her coworkers or maybe her boss, the manager?
No, I haven't. I really don't know anyone there, so.
Okay. And you said what time you spoke to her last?
I actually haven't. She's supposed to get off at 7. And it usually she's home in about 30 minutes or so. And when I saw the time passing and she hadn't gotten home, that's when I started getting concerned.
Okay. Have you tried calling her and
Yes,
no
straight
answer?
to voicemail.
Straight to voicemail. Okay. When it comes to filing a missing persons report, we really don't consider the person to be missing until at least 24 hours have gone by. So I need you to be patient.
Detective, it's my only daughter. It's my only child. I don't know what else to do. I need your help. I need your help. Please.
I feel for you. I'm a mother myself. I deal with a lot of cases like this on a regular basis. We try to get ahead of the game as best as we can, which is why I'm here asking you questions.
Let me show you a few pictures of her, so that you know.
Can I take these?
Yes, please.
I'm going to do the best that I can to expedite this.
Please do.
And get this going. Here's my card. If you have any questions, if there's anything else that you can give us, anybody you talk to that might have any idea or leads, please let us know.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Get up. Wake up. Shut up. You don't ask me no question. I'll put you somewhere for the sleep. Okay. You promise you're not going to run?
Please just let me go. I won't say anything.
Okay, relax. You hungry? You sure? Can I get you some food? Hey, relax. No.
Please.
Shut up. Can't do this easy way around here. You look like you look risky. Can't afford that right now. Bigs are gonna be so pissed off. You ever come with me? Get up. Yeah. So this is your room? No. Sit down.
Please just let me go, please. Please, I just want to go home, please.
Sit the fuck down!
Please don't touch me, please. I never did this before. Please don't touch me. I'm a virgin, please. This will be my first time. Please don't. Please don't touch me, please. Please don't touch me. No. Please don't. Please don't touch me. Please. Please, somebody